Hello, it's Brandon for Camperland RV, your toy hauler specialist in Wisconsin's premier ATC dealership. In this video, I want to focus on the customization we provide our clients here at Camperland RV. This particular product we've installed is a winch into the ceiling portion of the coach. We've installed a thick aluminum plate into the roof trusses and struts up there to secure it firmly. What this will allow is for the client to take the strap of the winch and install it into this piece of airline tracking we've installed as a threshold for the patio. Nice and secure. And this will allow our client to remotely extend and lower the ramp door. So the functionality of this is very sleek and very nice, very remote. If you're looking for this type of customization to your ATC trailer, please reach out to us today. Give us a call or reach out to us on our social media channels. I want to thank you very much for watching this video.